In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Behance project visibility problem. If your Behance project is not showing properly, not updating, or seems to have a visibility issue, this quick walkthrough will help you troubleshoot it in a simple and practical way. We're going to check both your Behance settings and a couple of browser-related factors that can sometimes prevent changes from appearing correctly. First, go to Behance in your web browser and make sure the site is fully loaded. This gives you a clean starting point before making any changes. Once you're on the home page, look to the upper right area of the screen and click on your Behance profile. This will take you into your account area where you can access your projects and settings more easily. Next, go to the upper right corner of your browser and click on the three dots. From there, locate the option related to deleting browsing data. This step is helpful because cached files and stored browser data can sometimes cause Behance to display outdated information or prevent recent edits from appearing. Clearing that data can refresh the way the site loads. If you're doing this, make sure you understand what browser data you're removing so you don't accidentally clear something important you still need. Once that's done, open an internet speed test and run it. This may seem unrelated at first, but Behance depends heavily on a stable internet connection, especially when loading portfolio images, project edits, and visibility changes. If your internet is slow or inconsistent, the platform may not sync properly, and that can make it look like your project isn't visible when the issue is really connection related. After checking your speed, return to your Behance account and click into editing mode. This is where you can work directly with your project and confirm whether your content is available and behaving as expected. Entering editing mode also helps force the platform to reload project details from your account rather than just showing what was previously cached in the browser. Finally, reload the page using the refresh option at the top of your screen. This last step is important because it applies all the previous troubleshooting actions and gives Behance a chance to load the latest version of your project. In many cases, a simple refresh after clearing data and verifying your connection is enough to resolve the issue. If you follow this process carefully, you should have a much better chance of fixing project visibility problems on Behance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.